What's up, guys? This is Adam with Highball Bartenders, and today we're going to be making Coquito. So let's get to it. You're gonna add 3/4 of an ounce of sweetened condensed milk. You're gonna add 3/4 of an ounce of evaporated milk. You're gonna grab 3/4 of an ounce of cream of coconut. You're gonna add 1.25 ounces of coconut milk. Do 1/4 of an ounce of vanilla extract, so about 3 to 4 dashes. Last but not least, you're gonna grab 1.5 ounces of Bacardi rum. We're gonna add some fresh ice to our mixing glass. We're gonna shake. We're gonna strain. We're gonna garnish with a couple sprinkles of cinnamon. And there you have it, Coquito.